In order to make the car go from the right to the left, you need to click on the car and then click on Animations. As soon as you get to Animations, you're going to want to click on Add Animations. Then scroll down and there should be one that says Lines. You'll click on that, and instead of making the car go from the right to the left, it makes it go into the other lane. And you don't want the two cars to crash as they pass, so you want to hover over the red dot, make sure that it has a double arrowed line, and you click on it and hold and move it to the left side of the screen. Then when you click on Preview on the left side of your screen, then it shows your car going from right to the left. Now the only problem with this is that it only does the animation whenever you click on the slide. In order to fix that, you go up here to the top where it says On Click. You click on it and go to With Previous. Every single one of your animations should be on With Previous no matter what it is, unless you do want to have to click it in order for the animation to start. So now we need to do the animation for the right car, or the left car. So you click on the left car, you go to Add Animation, scroll down to Lines. It's not going in the correct direction, so we hover over the red dot, click and hold, and move it to the right side of the screen. Now make sure that the start is with previous. Then when you hit preview, the cars pass each other at the same time. Then as we go to the next slide, we want all three hot air balloons taking off at different times, but all have to be moving at the same time. So we are going to click on the left hot air balloon. We are going to add animation and do the line. I'm going to zoom out by clicking this little negative arrow sign so that I can see the red dot. Make sure you click and hold and move it to the top of your slide. It needs to be with previous. And then we are actually going to change our duration because we want all of them to be moving at the same time. So we're going to make this duration a little bit longer. So we're going to change it to 3 seconds instead of 2. Then go ahead and click on your second one, add animation. Make sure it's going in the correct direction. Change with previous. Now they have to start at different times, so we are going to change the delay. We want it to wait 1 second before it begins. Then we're going to leave the duration at 2 and then do our third one. It needs to be with previous. The duration is going to be 1 second. Make sure we're on the right one. And then the delay will be 2 seconds. Then as we click on preview, they all start at different times, but they're moving at the same time. Now for the last one. We are going to make these have a custom path. So click on the first one, add animation, and then custom path. With this one, it's a little bit different than the first one. You are actually going to customize your path. So you click on where you want the starting point to be, and then from there you click wherever you would like for them to go. And as you can see the zigzag line that I'm creating. When you are finished creating it, you double click for it to close. Make sure that it is with previous. And all 4 parachutes are going to be falling at different rates, but they all have to be moving at the same time. So we're going to change the duration to be a little bit longer on this one. That way we have enough time for all of them to be going at the same time. Make sure it's with previous. Duration will be 3. With previous, we're going to make this one really fast. And then our last one. We're going to make this one even faster. And it has to be with previous. Now when we hit preview, they all move at the same time, but they're going at different rates. And that is how you change the timing. Make sure that every single animation you create, you make sure to change your start to with previous so that you don't have to click for it to work.